continue partying. Will his two roommates please stand up? Can you come forward, please? So were you also drinking?
No, ma'am.
Were you drinking?
No, ma'am, I don't drink.
Were you drinking?
It's a little bit.
Okay. तो अगर आप नहीं पी रहे थे तो आप बताइए कहानी क्या हो रही थी?
They were drunk and they came to the flat and he was doing all those nuisance and disturbing two of us.
ये कै बजे रात का था जब ये सब गड़बड़ हो रही थी?
12:31. That is the right time. 12:30.
You think you have the liberty to behave like this? Why?
Exactly not, ma'am. It's just a mistake.
The point is here that you cannot bring alcohol into the guest house. There is a point where you do something, enough is enough. Go and have a drink, but at the end of it, don't get yourself so drunk that you come back to the guest house and continue boozing.
It was just one day, ma'am. That's just one day. That's it.
You can go back to your seat. Between you two boys, I think one of you or both of you should be eliminated.
जब गलती इसने की तो मैम मुझे पनिशमेंट क्यों? मैंने तो कोई हल्ला गला कुछ नहीं किया, ना ही मैंने ड्रिंक किया।
ये तो बोल रहे हैं कि आप उनके साथ पी रहे थे।
यस मैम ये पी रहा था। बाहर पिया के अंदर पिया? बाहर भी पिया। अब अंदर नहीं आया पीने के? नहीं पिया, लेकिन अंदर नहीं पिया। अंदर में एंटर भी नहीं हुआ पार्टी में पी के।
Somebody like you I can't train. So somebody like you has to go back home and do what you want to do. Back up and you are out of the manhunt pageant.
Just give me one chance, ma'am, please.
It's over. You are not in the manhunt. You may return. You're watching the Attitude Amway Glad Rags Mega Model Manhunt reality series. I'm Maureen Wadia and I'll be waiting for you right after the break over here. See you later.
Glad Rags Mega Models. Glad Rags Mega Models. Glad Rags Mega Models.
I just want to apologize.
Yeah, drink yeah.
बाय बाय होम, आई मिस यू। जर्नी लंबी है बट ये रास्ता मेरी ड्रीम्स तक जाता है। मुंबई सिटी ऑफ ड्रीम्स, कहते हैं वहाँ सभी की ड्रीम्स पूरी होती हैं। कुछ ड्रीम्स लेकर आई एम कमिंग मुंबई।
Supreme Cook Girl tomorrow 6:30 p.m. only on V.
डॉक्टर, आप डायन और चुड़ैलों में विश्वास करते हो?
बिल्कुल करता हूँ। मेरी दादी कहती थी कि डायन रात की रानी होती है और दादा कहते थे कि उसके साथ एक बार सोया तो कभी और किसी के साथ नींद नहीं आती है। तुम्हें कभी कोई डायन मिल जाए तो मुझे मत भूलना।
मैं पूरी जिंदगी लोगों को सत श्री अकाल बोल के एक के लिए वोट नहीं बटोरती फिरूंगी।
यहाँ के सबसे पावरफुल पॉलिटिशियन है आप।
पॉलिटिशियन है? फिर तो जरूर पिटेगा तू।
मनमानी जानते हैं, मन रखना भी जानते हैं। Attitude, skincare and cosmetics from Amway.
V-Dot by Valuesim. Turn it on.
And cut it!
I believe that every day is a test where I have to prove myself. that destiny and hard work, they go hand in hand. It doesn't matter where you come from, as long as you believe in yourself. I believe in me.
Asmi, for the woman of spirit.
I'm a wife. I'm a working woman. I'm a mother. I'm all of them. My greatest achievement was winning the Gladrax Mrs. India contest.
VDOT by Valuation. Turn it on.
मनमानी जानते हैं, मन रखना भी जानते हैं. Attitude, skincare and cosmetics from Amway.
Fashion at Big Bazaar.
I'm a housewife. I'm a career woman. I'm all of them. I, Mrs. Vanita Sabharwal, am Gladrax Mrs. India 2011. And if you want to be the next Mrs. India, rush your entries to Gladrax.
VDOT by Valuation. Turn it on.
मनमानी जानते हैं, मन रखना भी जानते हैं. Attitude, skincare and cosmetics from Amway.
Gladrax Mega Models. Gladrax Mega Models. Gladrax Mega Models.
I just want to apologize to Maureen ma'am, that please give me one more chance.
You've been watching the Gladrax Mega Model Manhunt reality series Elimination. Next week, there'll be another elimination. Somebody's going to lose and somebody's going to win. So, ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned next week, same time, same channel. I'm Maureen Wadia and I will meet you here because this is the survival of the fittest.
जो रस्सी का था वो मुझे बाद में पता लगा कि रस्सी भी टच करनी थी.